Hey guys, welcome to Technology Shop. This is the new video of pattern printing and today we are going to discuss new pattern here. If you didn't watch previous video of this pattern printing series, then please watch them all, especially part 1, because we have discussed various basic terms and points related to pattern printing in that video. So that will be very helpful for you guys, and that is why I am suggesting you to watch especially part 1. So before starting, I would like to say, if you are new to this channel, then please do click on subscribe button to get notification of my new videos. So let's start this video here. Okay, so today we will discuss this pattern. Let's try to extract the basic information from this pattern. So first information we need is that we need to know number of outer loop run. So to find number of outer loop run, what we need to count? We need to count number of rows. And how many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 rows, means our outer loop will run 5 times. Now we have already seen in our previous video of character printing that we will take loop variable as a character data type. So we will take outer loop and inner loop variable as a char data type, and our outer loop will need to run 5 times. So we will initialize our loop from A to E, and code snippet for outer loop will look like this: char I and j for I is equal to A, I is less than equal to E, I plus plus. Now second information we need here is that we need to find number of inner loop run. So to find number of inner loop run, what we have to count? We have to count number of columns. And how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 columns and our inner loop will need to run 5 times. Here we will run inner loop from A to E because there are 2 reasons for it. First is that we need to run our inner loop 5 times, and second is that it is related to printing. Because of that we have initialized it from A to E, and now our inner loop code will look like this: for j is equal to A, j is less than equal to E, j plus plus. And now third information we require here is that what to print. So if we see here in this pattern, characters are changing column wise, like A, B, C, D and E, and then again A, B, C, D, E and so on. So this type of pattern we already know and also discussed in our previous video, where value are changing column wise. So this value we can get it from inner loop variable, that is j. So we will print inner loop variable j here. Okay, and we give printing statement like this: system.out.print and the value of variable j. And now in between inner loop and outer loop we will give new line statement: system.out.println. So this is our code for printing this particular pattern, and when we execute this code we will get this particular pattern. Okay, I think this is enough theory to understand the logic. Let's try to execute this code in Eclipse to print this pattern. Let's start to write our Java program in Eclipse. So for that, first we need to create new Java class file by clicking on project, go to new, and now click on class. Give the name of your Java class. I'll give pp7, means pattern program 7, and now click on finish. Inside class write the main method like public static void main string argument, and inside main method initialize the variable which is of like char type, and now write the outer loop for I is equal to A, I is less than equal to E, I plus plus. Inside outer loop define the inner loop for j is equal to A, j is less than equal to E, j plus plus. and inside the inner loop we need to print the value of variable j. System dot out dot print j, and in between inner loop and outer loop we need to define new line statement. So system dot out dot println. Everything looks good and there is no error in this program. Let's try to run this code. Great, congratulations, it has been executed successfully with our desired pattern as the output in the console. So this video ends here. If you like this information, then please click on like button to support me. Thank you guys, bye, see you again.